Thank you for buying this 15354 Bartender set from FixtureDisplays. I'm going to show you every piece of this set. You first have the shaker. It's a 3-piece shaker. And then you have a measuring cup, bar spoon, stoppers, 2 of those, or pourer, your strainer, another spoon with a straw, and tongue, along with the modeler. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@charliesam@FixtureDisplays.com. Now the shaker portion measures right about 5 inches tall and 3 inches in diameter. The 3 pieces together, this shaker piece is right about 8 inches tall. The modeler is a pretty sturdy piece. It's about 9 inches overall. The strainer is a decent build. Really help pouring your drinks and stop ice in your shaker and cup. This is a simple tongue piece. It's decent, not certainly the heaviest, but certainly does the job adequately. The bar spoon, one end has a spoon, the other end is a 3-piece pointed end. And this the other spoon with a straw is about 8 inches as well. This measuring cup is 1/2 ounce and 1 ounce of 2 different ends. The 2 pourer tips comes in really handy to keep you open the bottle in a stylish and convenient pouring position. If you like this video, you can definitely use a YouTube subscription. And if you can, we can definitely use a good seller feedback along with a product review. While you're on FixtureDisplays.com, I encourage you to browse many other consumer and business products we have to offer. We now put this on a Lazy Susan. I'm going to spin it so you can have a 360-degree view of this set. We know you have many choices in the marketplace. I want to thank you for taking a look and choosing FixtureDisplays. Thank you and have a blessed day.